Hey there, welcome back to Mindset Mastery. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. In just 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to kickstart your journey into making money online. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn a passive income by promoting other people's products or services. You earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. The first step to success in affiliate marketing is finding a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's fitness, technology, or fashion, choose something you love and are knowledgeable about. This will make promoting products a breeze. Next, sign up for affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale offer a wide range of products to promote. Once approved, you'll receive your unique affiliate links. Now, focus on creating quality content around your niche. It could be blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts. Share valuable information and incorporate your affiliate links naturally. Remember, honesty is key in affiliate marketing. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience's trust is priceless, and you want them to know they can rely on your recommendations. As you start getting clicks and conversions, track your performance using analytics tools provided by affiliate programs. This helps you refine your strategies and optimize your earnings. In just 2 minutes, we've covered the basics of getting started in affiliate marketing. Find your niche, join affiliate programs, create quality content, and promote responsibly. It's a fantastic way to earn money while doing something you love. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.